Adrian from Ashburton sent me a lovely email saying, Richo, it's my birthday soon and I want to make something really, really nice. Something with Peking duck. This is great Peking duck. It already comes cooked and has a fantastic flavour as well. And all you need to do to get it going is grab the breast out of the packet and slice it nice and thin. I'm going to make rice paper rolls. Once you've got it all sliced like this, pick the duck up and pop it onto a little plate that you've got handy. Now to make the dressing, I've got some coriander, some spring onions, some chili, some ginger, and some garlic, chopped really, really fine. And to that, I'll add the juice of 1 lime that's already squeezed, and some fish sauce. About a tablespoon is perfect. Now some soy sauce is essential because you want to have lots of flavour in here. I take the lid off like that and put about 1/4 cup. Now the juice that was left in the tray of the duck tastes fantastic. It's got that really nice Peking duck flavour, so I'll put a couple of spoons of that in there. Stir it around and it's ready to go. And I'll just have a little taste. Believe me, this is really hot. Now I'll pop that over there like that and I'll get everything else ready. I've got some water here that I'm going to place in a bowl. The water goes in there like that. Now, a lot of people will tell you to use warm water. I don't. I use cold water. It takes a little bit longer and it gives you just a little bit more time to get your rice paper ready. Spin it around a little bit and make sure that you cover all of it. You just need to soften it up a little bit so it's just enough to fold. And once you've got a bit of water on it, I take it out like that and then pop it on your bench. Now this is the bit I like having fun, and you can do just about anything you want. I'll start off with some deep fried shallots. I'll sprinkle some of these around the outside. A little bit of cabbage here. Now if you don't want to have cabbage in here, you could put noodles in here, but I love to have lots of veggies in here and a lot of crunch as well. Some coriander goes in there and some spring onion as well. A little bit of cucumber just to give you extra bit of crunch, and of course the duck. That's what it's all about. Now in a second or so it should be soft enough to roll, and it just about is. Pick it up from the outside here, fold it over like this, and you want to make sure you make it nice and firm. It's very much like rolling a sushi roll, except for this bit here you fold over, this bit you fold over like that, and then fold the rest of it around. And because I've done it in cold water, it gives me plenty of time to do it. It's still a little bit firm at this stage, but once I've popped it on here and made a few of these, it'll be ready to eat. There you go, the last one. You can see it's really quick and easy. And when you've got some great ingredients like this, it's going to be really, really tasty. Now make sure you make plenty of dip, because I reckon that's the most important part. Lots of fiery chili in there and lots of flavour. That's what it's all about. Adrian from Ashburton, happy birthday.